Hi everybody, we're back with another really quick Chinese diesel heater video for you, and this time we're going to show you how to set the timers on this new style controller with a spanner in the top left corner. There's 3 ways of doing it. I'm going to show you how to do all 3. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set the time. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is press the OK and the spanner button at exactly the same time and hold them down till that first 0 flashes. Once it starts flashing, we just navigate through the arrows and press the OK button. So we're going to pretend it's 6:35 PM and it's a 24-hour clock, so we need to find 18:35. So we use the arrow button to go up. So find 18, press OK, up to 3, press OK, and then up to 5, and then press OK. And then we'll just press the power button in the middle here to take us back to the main menu, and that's the clock set. So there's 2 timers, but there's 3 ways of setting it. So the first timer is a countdown timer for how many minutes you want it to come on. So if you want it to come on in 35 minutes time, you set it for 35 minutes. And then the second timer is a countdown time for how long you want it to stay on for. So if you want it to stay on for 45 minutes, you set it for 45 minutes. So the first way we're going to do it, we're going to set the first timer to come on in 35 minutes and then for it to stay on indefinitely until you turn it off. So to do that, all we have to do is press these 2 buttons again, the OK button and the spanner button at exactly the same time, and hold them until the 1 flashes. Once the 1 starts flashing, press the spanner button again, and that takes us to the first timer. So we want it to come on in 35 minutes, so we press OK, OK, and then up, 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 OK, up, 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 OK, and that's 35 minutes. And then we press the spanner button again. That takes you to the second timer, but we don't want to set the second timer, so we just press the spanner button again, and then 1 more time, and then that's that timer set. We just press this to stop the 1 flashing, and that's that timer set. So I'll just reset it and I'll come back. So the second timer we can set is the second timer on it. So we can set it to, say if we wanted to leave the camper van or something and we wanted to leave the heater on for 45 minutes, we just set that the second timer and it will turn off after 45 minutes. So to do that, we just press these 2 buttons again and hold them down until the 1 flashes. And then we press the spanner button again, and that takes us to that. We don't want to set this one, so we just leave it at 0, 0, 0, 0, and we press the spanner again. And that takes us to the second timer. And now we want to set this, say we want it to stay on for 45 minutes. We're going to press OK, OK, 4, OK, 45. And then we press the spanner button, press it 1 more time, and there, that's set. Or press this button to take us back to the main menu, and there, that's set to come on, well, it's set to go off in 45 minutes. It's not turned on, but if it was, it would go off in 45 minutes. Well, I'll just say it 1 more time and we'll come back for the final. So the final way you can set the timer, and you might have guessed this already, is you can set a countdown timer for it to come on, so it comes on at a certain time, and then stays on for a certain amount of time and then turns off. For this we need to set both timers. So for this one we're going to say we want it to come on at 8 PM and then go off at 8:45 PM. So to do that, we're going to press both these buttons until the 1 flashes, and then we press the spanner until we get this. Right, so it's an hour and 24 minutes until it's 8 PM. So we want 1 hour and 24 minutes. We press OK, up, OK, up, up, OK, up, 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 up. And that's going to come on in 1 hour and 24 minutes. Then we press the spanner button to take us to the second timer. So it's going to come on at 8, and then we want it to go off at 8:45. So we need to set this one for 45 minutes. So to do that, we press OK, OK, up, 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 OK, up, 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 up. And then we just press the spanner. We press the spanner one more time, and then we press this button to take us back to the main screen. And that's set to come on at 8 o'clock and go off at 8:45. So that's about it. We hope you all found it helpful. If you did, please click subscribe, click like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.
Now then, if you'd like to be in with a chance of winning the heater featured in this video, head on over to our Patreon page, where for a measly £3 a month you can be entered into a prize draw and potentially win high value items like this Vivo all-in-one heater or other such like. We won't be giving away these big items every month, but there will always be something going, and other great perks are in the works, so why not hop on board? We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. Please subscribe.